Hey guys, what's up? My name is Abhik and this is the second tutorial of HTML basic series. I promise that I will show you how to write your own tags. But before that, remember the last file we created in the last tutorial series? This file. Now, to open it in Notepad, click here and edit with Notepad++. Now click on it and this will be opened in Notepad++ window. Here I write some codes already, but before that you might be wondering what these buttons all do, like these buttons and also the macro, run, and what the thing is encoding. You might be wondering, but these are pretty advanced settings and advanced tools to use for beginners like you. I am going to show you when the time is necessary, but right now we don't need them as much. So in the first line I already write something like doc type HTML. What it is, you might be wondering. So doc type HTML means document type and HTML means HTML or hypertext markup language. So these lines declare that these documents will be written in HTML5. There are several HTML versions like HTML 4.0.1 and also XHTML and also other version, but I am going to teach you HTML5. So I have to declare that this document is HTML5 and this is how we do it, doc type HTML. After that there is HTML syntax. Whenever we write some code, we will always write under the HTML section. So whenever you start a tag, let me tell you one more thing about tags. Tags are basically a text but covered with angular brackets. So when there is a starting tag, there is always an ending tag like this. It's come with a pair. So this is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. When you start a tag, you always have to end it like this. If you don't end a tag, let me go ahead and delete this and click on this tag, and we will see that this text is not covered with light color. Now we click on it and see. So when you don't close a tag, it won't show light green, light violet bar around it. So whenever you start a tag, you must end it, otherwise the document and the edit will not be as you expected it to be. So this is the head section. In the head section we will write all the meta tags. What meta tags are? Meta tags are basically the way that search engine found your document on the internet. If you search any document, any website on Google, it will show you results, and all the results are the definition that found on your page in the head section. I am not going to talk anymore about meta tags because they are pretty much advanced. So let's but this is the title tag. Title tag is basically, well, let me show you the document. Here is the document of what I edit here. So open it. Here, my awesome tart. And if you change it like and save it and view it in your browser, hi, this is the title. So you know what title do basically. Title is the title of this tab. Whenever you create a page like test HTML, it needs a title. If you don't give it a title, just delete it and view it in your browser. It will show the default path, but I am not going to do it, so let's stick with the title. After the head section close, we will start the body tag. Under the body tag, all the visible codes like this, all the things that will be visible in this page will be written under the body tag. And in the head tag, all we write don't visibly show in this window. So you know what head tags are and what body tags are right now. Body tags are pretty much our human body, which contain hands, legs, and other things. So this is the h1 tag. h1 pretty much mean header, and you might notice that all the starting tag and all the ending tag are same. Now notice all the starting and all the ending are same. Just one exception: when it starts and when it ends, there is one difference, like this backward slash. All the tag contain a backward slash of in the tag. That is the only difference, and otherwise they are pretty much same. So you don't have to remember the starting tag or the ending tag. Now this is the h1 tag. H1 means header. Like here, I am header of this article. You can edit it. Like here. So the header tag is pretty much pretty much will create a header, and the article tag, this is the article. This is the article. So article tag is basically means that all the article content will be in this between these two starting and ending tag. And the bold tag is pretty much means that it will bold the text between the b and the ending b. If you write some like here and reload it in your browser, you will see that this tag is not here. This tag is not bold. It's pretty much same. So if you don't write it in under the bold section, it will only show the normal text. But if you write it in under the bold section and reload it in your browser, you will see that this text turns into bold. After the bold tag, it's the italic tag. What it does is basically make the text italic right here. Now when I told you, remember the tag, you must always close the tag. So if you don't close the tag, what happens? Click here and save it and view it in your book. You see that this text turns into italic and also bold. So if you don't end a tag and you just view it in your browser, you might not get the result what you expected. So this is pretty much same. In the body section, all the visible codes and all the things will be shown here, and this is called the HTML syntax. All the HTML codes will be gone under this section, and this is the head section where we put all the information that the browser and the search engine gets, and this is where all the codes that will be visible in here. So you know what these tags are. Now go ahead and try yourself. I am going to show you on website to learn such tags. I am not going to teach all the tags because there are probably 20 or 30 or hundreds of tags. So you have to learn all of them by yourself. Wait a minute. Okay guys, so here we are in the developer.mozilla.org. Mozilla.org is a really good website to learn JavaScript and HTML. So here is all the HTML element or the tags. You can search it on Google, and the first result will be W3 School. I don't recommend W3 School because some of its contents are outdated. After that you will find W3 orgs, but it HTML4. We are learning HTML5. So this is the link, HTML element reference HTML of MDN. So in the Mozilla Developer Network, just scroll down and you will see that there are all the HTML tags and all the tags that are new in HTML5. You can click on them and learn about them, and also learn how to use them in real-time application. So go ahead and learn, and I will see you in the next tutorial where I will be teaching you most of these tags and what they does. I am not going to teach you canvas or other tags because they are pretty much advanced and you will need to learn JavaScript because of them. But I am going to teach you a lot of tags like text area and table, and also like iframe and image, and also link, how to create a link in your page. But all this is for the next tutorial, and it's pretty much time for me to go, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. So see you there.